Hi everybody. Today I wanted to do a little flip through of my mini journals that I've been working on. These are Altoid tins that I've decorated and made a mini journal to go inside. The name of the kit I used is Simply Winter by ArtyMaze. I used a regular cardstock for the cover of the journal and then regular printer paper for the inside. You have to keep it fairly thin in order to be able to close the tin after you put the journal in, and it also helps if you have a sturdy tie. This is cotton lace I used. I covered the exterior with some antique lace and some cheesecloth. It's a cute little winter wonderland here with different winter animals. There are mini envelopes in the kit. You can do little booklets out of some of the printables that come with it. Some stamped snowflakes and a little bit of eyelash trim with glitter for some pizzazz inside. I have to say right off that I am inspired by someone named Teresa LaFrentz, and Teresa, if you're watching, you may notice that I'm inspired by you and some of my things kind of like some of the things you do, and I just can't help it. You're my very favorite, and I just love everything you do. I'm going to link to your channel at the bottom here. They've got some torn Christmas paper to use for little side pockets. Another card from the kit. A little coyote here. This is a little tiny glassine bag and some more cards in there. And some really teeny tags in here. Almost too small to handle. But cute. More cards on the other side of the glassine. Another flipped envelope. Another little booklet inside. Beautiful snowy owls in this kit. Snowy trees. Little snowy homestead picture. Magpie. More tags and more torn Christmas paper for a little pocket. And a tiny envelope with another card inside. Squirrel. Tickets. More tags. Reindeer. Snowflakes. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.